everyone. We are the students of Government High School Hanch, and today we are presenting our innovation idea, that is smart landslides and road safety alert system. Our idea is inspired by the real challenges faced by the people living in the hilly regions of Doda. Doda has many mountain roads where landslides frequently occur, especially during heavy rainfall. These landslides damage infrastructure, block roads, and sometimes leads to accidents also. People traveling on these roads often do not receive any warning before a disaster happens. Every year, many landslides destroy many houses, many roads, and all of these problems disturb our normal life, emergency services, and transportation. Therefore, we felt the need for a technology based solution that can provide early warning and save lives. Now, I invite my teammate to explain our innovation solution.
Thank you. Our proposed our proposed solution is the smart landslide and road safety alert system, an IoT-based early warning system designed for mountain roads. The system works by placing different sensors at landslide-prone location. All the information collected by these sensors is sent to an Arduino microcontroller. If abnormal movement or risky conditions are detected, the system immediately sends sends to sends alert through mobile notification warning light and public alert system so that travel and authorities can take preventive action. This project also gives students an opportunity to learn practical STEM skills such as coding, electronics, and engineering. Now I request my teammate to explain the technology and expected impact.
Thank you. Our system uses various technology like Arduino microcontrols, vibration sensor, tilt sensor, rain sensor, GSM Wi-Fi. Sensor maintaining environment, Arduino process real time, modules send warning. Solar power for remote mountain areas. Biggest impact improving road safety. Before only visual sign response after landslide. Which system early warned reduce accidents, support disaster management, better decision. Awareness students apply STEM. Hand over to teammate.
Thank you. Our vision is to transform this idea from school level project into a practical solution for our community. In the first phase, we will conduct research, select suitable sensors, and develop a prototype in our Atal Tinkering Lab. In the next phases, we aim to install and test the system at selected landslide prone location, collect data, improve the design, and finally work towards community awareness and wider implementation with the support of local authorities. An ATL in our school will provide us tools, mentorship, and a platform to convert innovative ideas into real solutions. We believe that young students can use science and technology to solve local challenges and protect lives. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our idea. We hope we hope to become the future innovators who make the roads of Doda safer. Thanks.